Thank you for choosing RDI's Endurance Original Railing, part of the RDI Endurance family of products. Endurance, low-maintenance, aluminum-reinforced vinyl systems combine elegant, simple form and dependable function to maintain safety without sacrificing the elegant presentation of your home or commercial space. Choose from several colors, baluster options, and accessories to personalize your look. Prepare all posts and mounting surfaces before installation. We're using an Endurance structural post with an Endurance 4x4 vinyl sleeve. Establish the placement of the lower rail, measure from the mounting surface to the first baluster hole on each end, and adjust until these dimensions are equal. Trace the post onto the bottom rail and mark 1/8 inch short at each end to allow for expansion. When all of your mounting surfaces are plumb, transfer your measurements and baluster layout from the bottom rail to the top rail. Cut each end of the rail at the measurement you measured earlier. Place a bottom mounting bracket on each end of the bottom rail with the flat side facing the mounting surface. Place your rail onto your 2 pre-cut blocks. Once you've determined your desired bottom space height, cut 2 blocks at that height. Place the bottom rail across the opening so that there is no more than a 4-inch space from the bottom of the rail to the standing surface. Pre-drill the holes for the mounting brackets to avoid stripping the included stainless steel screws and secure into place. Locate the 2 crimped balusters. Place them onto the bottom rail, evenly spacing them. Place the remaining balusters. Place a T-shaped mounting bracket on each end of the top rail with the flat side facing the mounting surface. Slide the bracket back past the first baluster hole. Measure 5/16 of an inch from the end and 7/16 of an inch from the bottom of the rail. Use a 7/32 inch drill bit to drill through both ends of the top rail and aluminum T-channel. Place an aluminum retaining pin through the hole. Slide the bracket over the pin to the end of the rail. Next, place the top rail onto the installed balusters. Raise the top rail 1/8 of an inch to allow for baluster expansion. Pre-drill the holes for the mounting brackets to avoid stripping the stainless steel screws and secure in place. Check the installation for accuracy, then snap the screw head covers into place. Complete the installation with Endurance caps and trims available at your Endurance dealer. Next, let's install a stair section. Prepare all posts and mounting surfaces before installation. We're using an Endurance structural post with an Endurance 4x4 vinyl sleeve. Temporarily secure a plank on the noses of the stairs between the posts onto which you are installing the stair rail. The plank thickness will determine the space between the stairs and the bottom rail. Place the bottom rail, baluster holes facing up, on the plank with a sticker reading this end at the top of the post. Slide the rail up or down until the baluster hole spacing is even on each end. Trace the post onto the rail and mark 1/8 of an inch short at each end to allow for expansion. Now, cut the rail to fit. If installing at an angle between 35 and 38 degrees, snap a small insert into each bottom bracket. For an angle of 34 degrees or smaller, use the large insert. If installing at an angle of 39 degrees or higher, no insert is needed. Orient the top stair bracket with the insert placed at the bottom of the bracket and the bottom stair bracket with the insert placed at the top of the bracket. Slide the brackets onto the rail with the bracket's flat side facing the post. Set rail in place and pre-drill at all holes in the mounting brackets and secure in place with supplied stainless steel screws. Insert a baluster into each of the first and last baluster holes of the bottom rail and insert the top rail. Slide a top mounting bracket in place at each end of the top rail, flat sides facing the posts, and temporarily secure in place with tape. Trace the posts onto the mounting brackets and mark 1/8 of an inch short to allow for expansion. Leave the mounting brackets taped in place and cut the top rail to fit. Trace the retaining pin channel onto the rail sleeve. Pull the stair rail bracket back approximately 1/4 inch from the end of the rail and mark 5/16 of an inch from the end of the rail. Make sure the aluminum T-channel is flush with the end of the vinyl and drill using a 7/32 inch bit through both ends of the top rail and the T-channel. Insert the aluminum retaining pin into the drilled hole. Slide the bracket over the pin to the end of the rail. Locate the two crimped balusters. Place them into the bottom rail, evenly spacing them. Place the remaining balusters into the rail section. Set the top rail in place by inserting the first baluster at the upper post in the corresponding route of the top rail and work towards the bottom. Pre-drill the holes for the mounting brackets to avoid stripping the stainless steel screws and secure in place. Check installation for accuracy, then snap the screw head covers into place. Complete the installation with Endurance caps and trims available at your Endurance dealer. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching our video and for purchasing RDI products. Visit us at www.rdirail.com for other endurance options or to see what other fine quality RDI products we can offer you.